Got these English cucumbers. They've been growing fantastically this summer 2026 in Central Texas. I'm going to make some dill pickle refrigerator cucumbers. These don't can very well. If you put them in a water bath, they get a little mushy. They still taste good. I'm only going to take off some of the skin where there's like scratches from bumping on the cage and stuff, but I'm going to leave the skin on for these pickles. You see this one is a little wacky here. It's not a disease or insect, it just sometimes they hang against the cages I built for them and they get scratched over time. But they do taste good. This is the first year, 20 years of gardening, that I've been able to grow cucumbers successfully. I've tried all kinds of varieties. I bought plants, but I got these English cucumber seeds, heirlooms, on Amazon. They're not selling them now, maybe because it's seasonal, but they did very well. Very pleased. All right, we want these to be about that tall, so I'll cut them in half. I'll make them thick ones so they'll be fourths. And these are clean, so we're just going to lay them in there, stagger them thick and thin. We got 3 jars packed up. We don't have to worry about a ½ inch below because we're not water bathing. So I have some smaller pieces I'm just going to fill in the top here. Now I'm going to pack some dill in the top of these. And Miss Trudy says to pack double the dill if you want a nice dill pickle. We've got a clove and a half, large clove and a half, garlic packed on top of all that dill, and have some teaspoon of black peppercorn in each one, maybe a little more. Now I'm going to put some heated and cooled down a bit brine into each one of these. These were dishwasher clean containers. We put a mark on them. They were already used. We don't need to use canning tops because they're not going to be hot water baths. So they're just refrigerated. They're good enough. Delicious looking. They'll last about a month. We'll start eating after 4 days. 4 days later. Nice dill pickles. Caprese salad from the garden. Num num num. Delicious. They aren't as completely crisp as a regular pickling cucumber, but they're good enough. And I grew a lot of them. Go ahead and try one. You got it? Mm-hmm. Nom nom nom.